My only thing is this. With Terrence Bud Crawford, you know what I'm saying? 3-time world champ, check. 140-pound division, undefeated, undisputed, check. All these world-class accolades, Hall of Fame, check. But with all that being checked off, and you had such a great resume and such a great career, why leave Bob Arum if he didn't promote you because he was being racist? That's all I want to know. Why leave Bob Arum if he got you and helped you get all these acclimates accomplished? Contract signed. Check that off. Salute.